Today we are going to learn the method of finding the correlation coefficient and the arithmetic means of x and y from the regression equations given. Students, we can calculate the correlation coefficient when two regression equations are given. For that, we need to separate the regression coefficients byx and bxy from the equations given. And we can use the property or the relation between the regression coefficients and correlation coefficient to calculate the correlation coefficient. Now, if x bar and y bar are the means of x and y, then we know that ordered pair x bar y bar is the common point on both the lines of regression. And this property can be applied to calculate x bar and y bar when two regression equations are given. So, for that, we first solve the equations and find the solution for x and y. Then, this common solution satisfies both the equations. So, that means it is the common point of both the lines and can be considered as the means of x bar and y bar. Now we will solve the sums of exercise 3.3. Question number 1. From the two regression equations, find r, x bar and y bar. First equation is 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 and second equation is 25x is equal to 4y plus 17. We need to find the means x bar and y bar. Second one, correlation coefficient between x and y, and third one, standard deviation of y. Given lines can be written as 9x minus 4y is equal to minus 15 and 25x minus 4y is equal to 70. We are rewriting the equation to find out the values of x and y to get the means x bar and y bar. Now we will subtract the equation 1 from 2 because y, the coefficients of y in both the equations are same, so we can remove y from both the equations to get the value of x. So we will subtract the equation 1 from 2 or 2 from 1 also possible. Then we get 25x minus 9x is equal to 17 minus 15 and x you will get on simplification is equal to 2. Now substitute the value of x, that is 2, in equation 4y in the given equation, that is 4y is equal to 9x plus 15 is considered here. 4y is equal to 9x plus 15. So y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So 9 into 2 plus 15. 18 plus 15 is equal to 33. And y is equal to 4y is equal to 33. So y is equal to 33 upon 4 is equal to 8.25. We got x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 8.25. We know that x bar and y bar are the points, that is ordered pair x bar y bar is the common point on both the regression lines. So we can consider this x bar is equal to 2 and y bar is equal to 8.25. Now to find the regression coefficients, consider both the equations. First one, 4y is equal to 9x plus 15. If you divide both sides by 4, we will get y is equal to 9 upon 4x plus 15 upon 4 can be taken as the regression equation of y on x. Then the coefficient of x will become the regression coefficient of y on x, that is byx, which is 9 upon 4 here. Then the second equation, 25x is equal to 4y plus 17. Divide both sides by 25. We will get x is equal to 4 upon 25 y plus 17 upon 25, which is taken as the regression equation of x on y. Then bxy, that is the regression coefficient of x on y, is the coefficient of y in the equation, that is equal to 4 upon 25. Now we will calculate the correlation coefficient r is equal to positive square root of byx into bxy. We know when you find the square root, we will get both positive and negative values. But here both the regression coefficients are positive, then the correlation coefficient is also positive. So positive root of byx into bxy is equal to positive. We will substitute the value of byx and bxy here. That is root of 9 upon 4 into 4 upon 25 is equal to root of 9 upon 25 after cancelling these two 4 from the numerator and denominator. That is equal to square root of 9 upon 25, that is only positive square root is taken, is equal to 3 upon 5 is equal to 0.6 as the value of correlation coefficient. In the exercise, question number 2 and question number 8 are similar. So, question number 8 will be solved later. Now, question 3. For 50 students of a class, the regression equation of marks in statistics, which is taken as the variable x, on the marks in accountancy, variable is taken as y, is 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. The mean marks in accountancy is 44, that is y bar. Mean mark of accountancy means y is the variable. So y bar is equal to 44. And the variance of marks in statistics is 9/16th of the variance of marks in accountancy. That is, this condition is given. Find the mean marks in statistics, that is x bar, and the correlation coefficient between marks in two subjects, that is r. So, solution is, the given values we will write first, that is n is equal to 50, y bar is equal to 44. Also, sigma x square, that is the variance of x, is equal to 9 upon 16 times of sigma square y, sigma y square, that is variance of y. Now, given the regression equation of x on y, that is 3y minus 5x plus 180 is equal to 0. Now 5, it is x on y. So we will separate x and y term to the right hand side with the constant term. So 5x is equal to 3y plus 180. So x is equal to 3 upon 5y plus 180 upon 5. I hope you understood the method. That is, we remove this 5, divide throughout by 5. Now, compare the obtained equation with the general equation, that is x is equal to bxy into y plus a dash. That is the general equation of regression of x on y. Then bxy is the coefficient of y here. So bxy is equal to 3 upon 5. And a dash is the constant 180 upon 5, which is equal to 36. Since x bar y bar is the common point on the lines of regression, x bar is equal to, that is, we will write x bar and y bar in place of x and y. X bar is equal to bxy into y bar plus a dash, and substituting the values of these three quantities bxy, y bar and a dash, we get x bar is equal to 3 upon 5 into 45 plus 36. That is, x bar is equal to 26.4 plus 36 is equal to 62.4. Also, from the given condition, sigma x square is equal to 9 upon 16 into sigma y square. Now, take this sigma y square to the LHS, that is sigma x square upon sigma y square is equal to 9 upon 16, and we can take the square root on both sides. We will get sigma x upon sigma y is equal to 3 upon 4, that is only the positive square root. So sigma x upon sigma y is equal to 3 upon 4. That is, from the condition given in the question, we got sigma x upon sigma y is equal to 3 upon 4. Now, we have the relation bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. Substitute the values of bxy, sigma x upon sigma y as 3 upon 5 is equal to r into 3 upon 4. Sigma x upon sigma y is 3 upon 4. Now, we simplify the value to get the value of the correlation coefficient r. We will get 4 into 3. 4 will go to the numerator and 3 will come to the denominator. So 4 into 3 upon 5 into 3. 3 will get cancelled and r is equal to 4 upon 5, which is equal to 0.8. Now, this remaining sums will continue in the next video. Thank you.